Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to download a video from YouTube so that you could be able to watch it offline, and also you can access it from your gallery. Yes, so guys, if you find this video interesting, if you find it educative, don't forget to give me a follow, like this video, share and comment. So let's get into it.
So guys, first thing you would like to do is to go to your YouTube app. So you need a YouTube app for this. So you go to your YouTube app, you click on the YouTube app, and then it will show you videos. So if you already have a video in mind, you could go to the search bar and then search for the video, then download it from there. But if the video is in your screen like this, let's assume you want to download this video over here, how to know she's preparing. So all you need to do is to click on these three dots over here, and then you see play next in queue, save to watch later, save to playlist, download video. So you're going to click on download video. Yes, easy peasy. You're going to click on download video. So you see it's showing downloading view. So you press on this view to view the video you downloaded. So you see it's already 45% downloading, and then you wait for it. It's going to take some time, and then after this your video will have been downloaded. So guys, the video has been downloaded, right? But to be able to access this video, to be able to find the video, you could then you click on your movies. But as you can see, there are no movies here. So to be able to access this, right, to be able to get that video you downloaded in this particular place, you have to get a YouTube Premium. So I've not gotten one though, but for you to get a YouTube Premium, you're going to need some amount of money. So but it's going to be some free month trial before you can actually pay for this YouTube Premium. So you pay for the YouTube Premium. So I want to show you another way of downloading the video, like downloading it and storing it straight to your gallery. Guys, another way of downloading a video from YouTube, right? If you already have a page, a YouTube channel on YouTube, right? Sometimes we delete, sometimes you must have, maybe by mistake you must have deleted that video from your phone and you want to recover it from your YouTube channel, right? So you're just going to go to home. So you click on home, right? So when you click on home, it will take you back to this particular page, right? So you see there's a place written you click on that and then it will take you to your own account. You click on your videos. So when you click on your videos, it's going to take some time. I think I'm having network issues. So after clicking on your videos, you're going to see all your videos, right? So let's download a short video. So you're going to see these three dots. So you click on the three dots. So after clicking on the three dots, you see save to playlist, share video, promote, edit advanced setting in studio, and so on and so forth. So you're going to click on save to device. So you click on this save to device here, and then you see saving Virgo. So it's saving already to the device. So to be sure that this is saving, you come to this place. So as you can see, you see it saving. It's already saving, you see, and it has been saved. So to view this video in your gallery, you're just going to press this, and then you see share view. So you're going to click on the view, and then it will take you right
September
to the video.
bonds gather here.
So
I don't know, is it just me or is it part of being in September bond? Like, I don't like being.
So do you see it's in movies? So it's stored in my movies.
September bonds gather here. I don't know, is it just me?
So look at the video over here. So as you can see, you can now watch it offline. You can watch it in your gallery.
Guys, if you found this video helpful and you would like more of this, as in more to come, then don't forget to give me a follow. Don't forget to like this video, share and comment if you actually learned a lot. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.